my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to the returning subscribers and to the new visitors. Welcome, subscribe. Today's video is gonna be quite fun and funny, and in advance I apologize to the people watching this that are actually in the video. I apologize. I will be video calling friends and family, but I'll be answering in a kind of, weird way as soon as they pick up the phone. Like, I'll be saying complete gibberish, like complete nonsense. Like here's an example. Like, let's just say they pick up, ding, hello. They say hello, then I'll be like, oh, I can't believe you did that. Because when I saw the silver boat, I really thought it sank, but I was so wrong because a meteor hit the earth. And then they'll be like, what? Let's get right into the video. But before we get started, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video. Let's go! I have to tell you this. I almost died. Miguel, I went on the roof and this big wind came and then I fell onto Sky and she went into the ground and everything just tore apart. I was so stressed.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I went onto the roof and the wind just blew me off and I fell onto Sky and she went through the ground and my textbook fell in my nose.
Wait, this don't sound right.
Just, can you believe it?
Why were you holding your textbook on the roof? And why were you on the roof?
Now I went to fetch something that obviously flew away because of the heavy wind and I fell down into Sky and my textbook went in my nose.
Why will you take your textbook with?
No, I have an assignment due tomorrow because of the wind. It's just horrible. I can't do this.
You're making me confused. What are you talking about?
I'm about to fail this.
I'm already dizzy.
Just listen to what I'm saying. I went on the roof to pick up something and I've just fell off into Sky. My textbook went in my nose because I failed.
No, I'm confused now.
I got you in my YouTube video.
I knew it was for something.
Cause I came all the way to visit you and there was a guy handing out chickens on the side of the road and he asked me if I want one and then I can only enter your house. I came all the way to visit you and there's some guy selling chickens outside and he said I can only enter if I buy one.
You know where's the house?
I know where's the house.
So who would say you need a ticket to enter?
Not a ticket, they were selling chickens and they said I need to buy a chicken in order to enter.
Yeah, but the house.
Yeah.
I was at school.
You were at school. Oh. Kiara.
Hi, guys.
I came all the way to visit you and there's some guy selling chickens outside and he said I can only come in the yard if I buy a chicken.
When did you come to my house?
Just now. I just got back home.
Huh?
Just now. I just came back home.
There's no chicken. Are you talking nonsense? There's no chicken there. I knew you were talking caca. Sorry, friends. I knew.
I got Lazario too. Thanks, you're going in my YouTube video.
Good, Johnny.
It's about time you answer. I'm going mad here. I need to share something with you.
What happened?
Listen here. I I went for a driving lesson on the grounds, okay? And then I hit this dog by mistake. And then all these soccer players run onto the ground and they're like, yay, yay, my dog, my dog. So then I stopped the car and then only to realize I stopped in the middle of a soccer match. Now, I just thought they were practicing. So I stopped in the middle of a soccer match, all right? And then all of a sudden lightning starts and lightning hit the side of the car, so the side view mirror. And then my father jumps out and he's like, my car, my car. And I jump out too. And then I left the handbrakes down. Yes, when I jumped out, so then the car hit the wall. And now I'm in big trouble.
Oh my days. Literally, that is such bad luck, unfortunately, yeah. Like, everything went wrong at all possible aspects in 1 second.
And the worst part is the policeman comes running out of the toilet telling his wife that the kid is in jail.
Which kid?
His kid, I don't know, probably his kid.
So wait, okay, so you did you end up hitting a dog or not? Firstly.
I did, after I bought potatoes.
Okay. And then you went to the grounds
And then I quickly went to Durban Pool with friends, and then I came back.
Wait. What hit the rear view mirror? You were saying,
Lightning.
The side mirror.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Yes, it's bloody lightning outside.
Don't lie.
Oh.
This happened today.
Just now, I just came back home. And I actually went to Checkers, and like this guy is like, who's seen my kid? Who's seen my kid? Then I look up, the kid strapped to the ceiling.
Nah, bro, you're lying to me. You are lying now. Oh my days. Oh my days. I hate you so much. I was literally thinking, I was like, there's so many random things that are going on in this video call. Like, what is even going on?
You won't believe what happened. Oh my gosh, I need to tell you. I'm actually shaking.
What?
I was in the shower washing my hair, and next minute I know I'm flushed down the drain because the snake started coming up and then the grass turned pink.
Wait, what?
I was in the shower washing my hair, and the next minute I got flushed down the drain and yeah, the dog barking because someone came in the gates and then just, I don't know, they flew.
Came in the gates?
Someone came in the gates and I got flushed down the drain. I'm shaking.
Someone came in the gates while you flushed down the drain.
Because I was washing my hair.
Yeah. Okay.
The point is I got flushed down the drain. And the dog almost got knocked because the gate was open and someone came in. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi, I need to tell you something I am mind blown about. I just need to share it with you.
Tell me.
So like, I was going to the shop and then all of a sudden this car hits a dog and it literally goes flying, and then I found the SPCA and it's like, oh, this dog belongs to someone in Cape Town. So I'm like, okay. And then I have a parrot on my shoulder, right? So the parrot flies to the policeman standing on the other side of the road and he's like, oh, so it's your cat. Yes, it's a dog. Can you believe it?
Hectic. I'm very confused.
Do I have to repeat myself, really?
Okay. So, wait, the dog got hit by the cats, and then
No,
the parrot flew off
this
your shoulder.
policeman thinks that the dog is a cat. Yet he looks like 60-something years old. How does he not think that a cat's a dog? I mean, he should know the difference.
Hi, Mom. Oh my word. Kayla,
And then-
you called me for that. You called me to tell me that.
No, but listen, and then this beggar, okay? And then this beggar comes running up the road. He's like, who wants mangoes? Yet he's selling potatoes. And then another car crashed into the wall. On the same incident.
Where were you? You look so pretty today, Kayla.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, did you iron your hair?
I did iron my hair. But listen, yeah, there's a whole dog dead and you're talking about me ironing my hair.
Oh, the dog died.
Do you know what happened when the dog bit the rats? It just flew and I can't believe it because the sky then turned purple. Are you crying?
Because of Miguel.
Oh no, what is Miguel doing?
He's irritating me. And now you made me. Now this is why I don't live. I don't have house anymore.
Let me talk to him.
No, I'm not going back to him.
Oh man. Hi. Guess what? I just can't believe it. The thing died and then I ran for my life because the sky started to fall and my book turned into a rat.
No, wait. Repeat yourself.
What?
Repeat yourself. I can't hear you. You talk too fast.
No, I said when I sat down here to do my work, my book just turned into a rat. I can't believe it because the sky just flew and it's like, what? It's so windy.
Kayla, I know what you're doing.
What?
You
What?
told me that time you're gonna do the things that didn't work on me, Kayla.
It's urgent. It's urgent. You need to pick up. Dude! Like I was cooking and then I fell into the toilet and next minute I realized I'm in Cape Town. I was so shocked. Like I was scared for my life. My heart is like racing. Yo. Still racing.
What? You did what?
I was cooking and then I fell into the toilet. Next minute I realized I'm in Cape Town. My heart. Like I was... Thanks for being in my YouTube video.
You're terrible. Hello.
Hi, I need to talk to you. I saw a poster that you're missing and I like made copies and I put it like all over, like where I stay in like your area. Are you missing?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because like
Who is
someone came to me and offered me money to put your poster around. So I don't even know what's going on.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Wait, are you lying?
No. Gave me $1 million. Rands.
What are you? Who is this person?
I don't know. He just gave me money to put your I am missing posters everywhere. So I put it everywhere and I took the cute dog and then I took the dog somewhere else.
Wait, about me?
Yes, it said there. Your name and surname.
Hi.
And then he went bowling and then he said something about, okay, take this and take that. And he just fell off the roof and he died.
Hi. Yeah.
Are you missing?
No, I'm here. I'm at home.
I don't know what's going on.
Wait there, I'm actually getting scared right now. Who is this person?
I don't know. That's why I'm phoning to check if you're okay.
I'm actually tearing.
I'm joking. Chill. You're in my YouTube video. I got you.
Oh my god.
On.
Hello?
Hi, Auntie Kim. I'm ready. Are you leaving yet?
Huh?
I'm ready. Are you leaving yet?
I can't hear you, what?
I said, are you ready? I mean, I'm ready. Are you leaving yet?
You ready? Huh?
Malia said we're going for supper.
No. I never sang. Kayla.
You did. And Miguel said we're going bungee jumping.
I've no idea what these children are talking about. I just finished cook.
So I got ready for
I don't know
nothing.
what they're talking about. Kayla,
You said that to me and I got ready for nothing.
they didn't even say anything to me.
Miguel, why did you lie?
Not here. Look at it. He's running away now. Kayla, you lying.
I'm only joking. I'm only joking.
I'm like, what is going on here? I don't even know. No, you're not going to give me a heart attack.
I wanted to get you.
I thought that I just keep making arrangements without me even knowing anything. Oh, you make me run.
Hi, I need to ask you something, please. I'm doing my English assignment and I don't know what is Shakespeare. Last time I checked it was in my maths textbook. So now I'm sitting here with the Afrikaans assignment.
Hold on. Shakespeare is in your math textbook.
That's what it is in. Yes, that's what I'm calling you. But yes, I'm doing an Afrikaans assignment.
You go. Afrikaans assignments. You're calling me for Afrikaans?
No. Shakespeare. English. Am I right?
Okay, what about it? Mm-hmm.
But it's in the maths textbook. And then I'm doing it and yet my dog gets knocked outside. And then I check and it's a bigger selling mangoes. And yet I'm still doing Shakespeare.
Where's your dog?
In heaven.
I'm sorry. What is going on in your life?
You're in my YouTube video.
You are so unbelievable that I look like this.
That is the end of the video. I found it so funny. If you found it funny as well, please just comment down funny. That was funny. So that is the end of this hilarious video. Share it with your friends, let them laugh as well. Until the next video, peace.